Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play A Million Dreams on the violin. First, you'll want to find reliable sheet music or a good tutorial. Next, make sure your violin is perfectly tuned to the standard G, D, A, E. Then, focus on your posture, holding the bow correctly with a relaxed grip and positioning the violin comfortably on your shoulder. These foundational steps are crucial for a smooth start to learning this beautiful piece. Now, let's dive into the music itself. A Million Dreams is generally played in the key of G major, which means you'll encounter one sharp, F sharp. Concentrate on the main melodic lines, which are often found in the first position on your fingerboard. Practicing your G major scales and arpeggios will greatly improve your finger agility. Also, pay close attention to the rhythm, as it's frequently in a 4/4 time signature. To truly bring A Million Dreams to life, focus on your bowing and expression. Employ long, smooth bow strokes to connect your notes seamlessly, creating a beautiful legato sound. Experiment with dynamics, playing softer during the verses and building up to a louder, more powerful sound for the choruses. Practice clean string crossings to avoid any unwanted noise. And for those longer notes, consider adding a touch of vibrato to enrich your tone. Finally, let's talk about effective practice and preparing for performance. Break the song down into smaller, manageable sections. This allows for more focused and productive practice. Always use a metronome to help you maintain a consistent and steady tempo throughout the piece. Recording yourself playing is an excellent way to objectively hear your progress and pinpoint areas needing improvement. And don't forget to perform for friends or family to build your confidence and share your musical journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.